Sunday. So we're gonna go check out this little 1926 bungalow in Midtown Fargo. It's got 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, and it just had a great price reduction to $199,900. So let's go inside.
Hello, my name is Brett Dazell. I am with Up North Real Estate here in Fargo. I am sitting at my listing here. It's a 3-bed, 1-bath, 2-stall garage home in Midtown Fargo, 1210 14th Street South. And really excited to bring you this video tour for you guys to check out. Hopefully you like it.
So if you like this house or any of the other listings I've taken you through, go ahead and hit the follow and like button. Reach out to me, Katie Kelch, Park Company 701261, and I will arrange a tour for you. Have a good day.